Hello, we are Team Synergy, and our solution is Smarted, an AI powered grading and feedback platform that tackles one of the education's most overlooked issue, teacher workload and lack of personalized student feedback. In today's education system, teachers manage hundreds of students, leading to generic feedback and endless learning gaps. Students are eager to improve, but personalized attention is missing. Teachers are overwhelmed. There is clear need for automation and personalization. That is when we introduce Smarted, an intelligent platform that automatically evaluates assignments, generates personalized feedback, and equips educator with data driven insight. It automates grading, provides custom feedback for each student, tracks performance using data analytics, and help both student and teacher grow smarter together. And yes, it supports handwritten and digital submissions. Unlike existing platforms like Google Classroom or Microsoft Team that focus on content delivery, Smarted prioritizes on intelligent grading and feedback, ensures every student gets timely feedback even in resource limited settings. It improves accuracy, all while staying aligned with UN SDG Goal 4 quality education for all. Here it how it all flows. A student submits an assignment. Smarted uses AI to evaluate the content. Feedback is generated and shared with the students. Meanwhile, the data is stored in the backend for analytics. The teacher then reviews these insights and provides targeted support. We have used Google Gemini, OCR, Flask, and MySQL for secure database integration. Smarted is technically feasible, cost effective, and scalable across institutions from small classrooms to school to universities and coaching centers. So let's take a quick tour of Smarted. This is our homepage where both student and teacher can log in easily. Inside Teacher Dashboard, the educators have an option to create assignments either text based or as images. Once the student submits these assignments, our system uses AI driven semantic analysis to evaluate answers based on the contextual relevance, not just keyword matching. Whether the student submits a typed response or a handwritten one, SmartEd uses OCR technology and process it accurately. After evaluation, the system automatically generates personalized feedback for each student, highlighting what they did well and where they can improve. Teachers can click on Analytics, which shows individual student progress and more, all in a visually clear and actionable format. So, this was our teacher dashboard. Now, let's move on to the student dashboard. Here is what learners can see. They can see their pending assignments, which they can upload. They can receive easy to understand feedback and track their progress over time. Isn't generic, it is tailored to their answer, helping them truly understand their strength and scale growth. The idea is to make learning feel personal while giving students insight that can help them improve not just their score but also their thinking.